Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb. There are two identical light bulbs in the fresh food compartment. They are mounted at the top of the compartment behind the control panel. If there is no light in the fresh food section when the doors open, check and replace the light bulb if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. The light bulbs are located in this left and the right side of this light lens. So we're going to remove the lens first. I'm going to press that button here in the middle and slide the lens back until it comes off. I'm going to remove this light bulb on the left side. It simply turns counterclockwise. This is the old light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Don't be thrown off by the different look. This is a direct factory replacement. And now I'm going to install the new light bulb. Place it into the socket and turn it clockwise. Next, I'm going to install the lens. Place it behind this plate and slide it forward. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.